What up? What up? What up? What up, guys? This your boy AB and that thing, and I'm back with another video. And as y'all can see, it is really raining out here. It's a little soggy, muggy day that makes you want to just stay in the house, but I'm gonna keep on working, trying to bring you guys content. And let me stop while I'm ahead. If you're new to this channel, man, make sure you hit that share, like, and subscribe button, man. Your boy would gladly appreciate it. And I accept the love, man, that I've been getting so far, man. I'm new to this, but I'm gonna keep trying to bring y'all more content, man. But today, man, in this episode, I will be getting a muffler delete. It's well overdue. I like the way it sounds when I do my cold starts and stuff like that, but I kind of like want it to be more aggressive. And I forgot my dang coffee. You know what? I get it. And I left my keys to the garage. I'm telling you guys, man, I didn't feel like doing nothing today, man. But talked to one of my boys earlier today, man. He's like, man, how you expect to keep growing, man, if you don't work in like gloomy conditions when you're tired and stuff like that. So I guess I'm gonna just keep working, even though I'm tired. I don't want to do it. I feel like just laying in the bed. I dropped my daughter off at school and I came back home, and I was like, man, I'm gonna just lay down. But I'm not even gonna lay down, man. I'm just keep going, man. I gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. All right, once I got the garage open, man, don't orange crush look so good. Dang, I love this car. But yeah, man, time to get a muffler delete. I'm hoping it sound good. I'm going to GTO Mufflers and Brakes out in MelrosePark. It's on Mannhein Road. They did my Camaro. My Camaro came out sounding real nasty. I miss my Camaro, but man, they did a good job on my mid muffler delete on my Camaro. So I'm gonna try to see what they do to the scat pack. Hope orange crust be sounding way more aggressive. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. Let y'all see what y'all think of it. And then once I get the mid muffler delete, y'all guys let me know how it sound. Drop a comment in the comment box below. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think. Or just let me know if I should be getting a mid muffler delete. You know what I'm saying? But okay, here you go. Coffee, man. Boy gotta get his coffee, man. Keys, man. There we go. I'm not sponsoring Dunkin' Donuts, but I do drink Dunkin' Donuts. Cold in here. Cut this heat on, man. That's what my buttons. Yeah, man. Let's get this car about this garage real quick. Man, I hope y'all having a good morning. I know y'all had to go to work, but I'm off work today, so I gotta get out here and try to bring you guys some content. But I do have an off day. Your boy been grinding, man. I've been grinding at work. Like, man, I'm just happy to have a day off, man. Cause like being in the military, we really don't get that many days off. So I'm just fortunate to have this day off. So I'm gonna try to get some work done. headed to GTO Mufflers right quick, man. I'll hit you guys when we get back. Okay, now, man, we here now. I just pulled up to GTO Muffler shop, man. About to go in here and see if these guys can get me up in the air. Get this Muffler Delete. Lock the door. Man, it's a big puddle, man. I can tell how it's been raining all night. Yeah, man. Y'all already know I just forgot, right? My mask. Damn. Yeah, man, it's been one of them days, guys, but I'm still going, man. How the hell I forget my mask? There we go. Hold on. Camera gonna move a little. All right, I'm back. Yeah, man. Well, man, y'all can find this place, man, right on Mannhein Road, man, in MelrosePark. The address is right here. 22 Mannhein Road, man. They do good muffler jobs, man. So, we're about to go in here. It's a small location, but, you know, they always do a good job with the mufflers, man. If you want anything like the black tips, the blue tips, matte black chrome, double exhausts. Hey, what's going on, baby? What's up? Long time no see, right?
Yeah.
Hey, I was coming to get the Muffler Delete on my Sky Pack.
What car is it?
2020 Dodge Sky Pack wide body.
Okay.
It's outside.
Let's go see it.
Okay. Yeah, so we back again, guys. You gonna give me a lift up on here?
Oh, the door's in there?
Yep, right across the street. Yep.
You bring it in, okay?
Okay, cool. You gonna bring it in? All right, my man gonna bring it in. I'm gonna give him the keys so he can bring it in. Give him the keys. I'm trusting him with my baby. So he's gonna bring it in, man. Get me lifted up in the air. Just so fire, man. Yeah, man, it's still raining out here, guys. Hope y'all can hear me with this mask on. It sounds good, but man, it's gotta be more aggressive, man. Got that bad boy in nice and safe. Alright, man. So yeah, man. We get it lifted in the air. Don't get me right. What they gonna do?
We're gonna remove this.
Gonna remove that one right
Two
there.
little mufflers.
The two little mufflers.
If you want, no, not this one.
Nah,
We're
we're
gonna
gonna
remove this two resonators. With just those one.
we're gonna just lose the mufflers, right?
Just the mufflers.
Yeah, yeah. I don't
To
want
the
it.
back. Okay.
Yeah, I don't want it too loud.
Okay.
I just want that aggressive sound.
Okay, got it.
Cool. One down, one more to go. Nice clean, cool cut. Not rough with it, nice and smooth with it. Man, GTO, they always do a good job, guys. Y'all can come out here on 2222 North Mannhein Road, man. They're gonna get you right with your muffler delete. Yeah, man, so another day, man, another day. Getting work done, getting work done.
¿No son? ¿Los rotores? ¿Sabe qué fue lo que me faltaba? Era ver si era LX o algo así. Por la base.
Pero esta no, base no es, esta en particular.
Well, man, that go out, man. He do precise work, man. No rush job and nothing like that, man. They make sure they're doing clean cuts and everything, man. Want that aggressive sound, you know. You gotta do the job right. They got it up on the machine so you can cut it and smooth it out so it can be a smooth process when you weld it back together. Man, also, man, they do more than muffler deletes, man. They do tires, if you have flat tires or anything with tires, brakes, mufflers, exhaust, axles, and stuff like that, man. They do all type of work, man. So you guys can come here, man, get y'all work did, man. Your boy AB here, so that says a lot right there, you know. This not only my first time here, this is like my third time here, man. So I take all my vehicles here, man, and get the muffler deletes, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's a cheaper way about going about, but they all sound good though. So you might hear a little more noise in the background, but I'm just gonna show y'all guys the work they do. Yep. One down, one more to go. So we got cutting the tips off, man. So they're gonna straight pipe it and weld it back together. And man, it's not gonna be too long, man, when you're gonna hear Orange Crush sounding like a nasty monster on the street. I'm just excited, man. I can't wait to see. Well, not see, but wait to hear how it's gonna sound. Cause it already sounded aggressive, but man, y'all know what I mean. I want it to sound nasty, nasty. So wait till my man finish. Y'all gonna hear how nasty it's gonna sound. So yeah. Car still very new, man, under the bottom, man. Everything still new on here, man. I take care of my baby. That part right there would be the straight pipe to replace the spacing of the muffler. So that's the straight pipe that he's cutting to replace the muffler part that would be removed from my car, which he would weld to the tips. So I'll just showing you a little glimpse of that. And right now he will do the welding on to it, and man, a couple of minutes he'll be done. Quick, easy process, man, to get your car sounding like a monster on the street.
¿Saben los mismos? Hay otros diferentes. O creo, había otros.
Sí, hay otro, pero no dice el tamaño, nada.
No.
Únicamente que ordene los otros, ¿lo qué?
Sí, pero sí son diferentes.
El tamaño es igual, pero el tamaño es diferente.
Ah, bueno, para que
So now we're about to do the welding for the straight pipe.
Okay. Bueno.
Just want to thank you guys, man, just for staying tuned in, watching the whole process of a muffler delete, man. Man, I got out here and did it, man. I didn't want to do nothing today, man. I was real tired, man, but I gotta keep bringing y'all the heat, man. Like, for real, like I just don't know what to say right now, but like, I'm just keep trying to bring y'all, man, stuff that goes on into like customizing these cars and doing like modifications and little things to these cars, man. In order to reach the top, you gotta keep grinding, all right? All right, so I'm gonna hit y'all with footage of when we start the vehicle up. Please let me know how y'all think it sounds, man. Please drop them comments below, man. Let me know how y'all really feel, man. Just stay true to me. If y'all think it don't sound like nothing, let me know. If it sound good, man, let me know, man. Your boy appreciate it, man. So I'm gonna get back tuning with y'all as soon as he finish this, and then we're gonna start it up and give it a couple rams and stuff like that, and see how it sounds. All right. And look at the welding, nice and neat, y'all. Not too bad, y'all. Not too bad. Well, he had to take a quick break. Customers came in trying to get a Cadillac converter put on their vehicle, so he's just giving them prices, and he'll be right back. And gonna let this thing down, man, and start it up and see how it sound, man. See how it sound, baby. Just your boy AB _ Internet Thing, man. If you just tuning in to the channel, man, hit that share, like, and subscribe button, man. Support me, you know what I'm saying, as I keep coming with more content of Orange Crush. That's the name of my vehicle, Orange Crush, if you guys didn't know. Because this bad boy gonna be crushing the game, man. Y'all can't tell me that this ain't one of the hardest wide body Scat Pack Chargers, man, out here. Let me know if, you know what, I don't want to be the one to say it. You guys let me know if this one of the hardest 2020 Dodge Charger wide body Scat Packs in the game, man. Like I don't know, I love the color. The color is gold mango. A lot of people like orange. Sometimes it look red in the sun, but the color is gold mango, man. With matte black. I got gloss on the rims though. The gold mango. Yes. That's how we doing it, man. That's how your boy doing it. Yes. This bad boy down now. Yes. I'm about to see how it sounds, guys. Stay tuned. That's what we all been waiting for, right? Back, man. Gotta go pay this man, so we'll be right back. So I'm gonna go inside and pay the man. Yeah, the boy happy, man. Yes. Well, I just got finished paying for it, man, but I'm happy with the way it sound. I'm gonna try to put it like in sport mode so you can get the real concept of how it will sound and everything, man. But GT mode, mufflers and brakes, man. Right here in MelrosePark on Mannhein Road. These are the tires, and they're open. The phone number if you want to call. These are all the jobs that they do: suspension, mufflers, starters, brakes, radiators, new and used tires, man. Alternators, man. Come check my guys out, man. Yep. This is AB with another episode, man, in that thing, and I'm out. Peace. I'm sorry, guys, man. I had to give y'all man, y'all gotta hear this bad boy, man. Like, I know, like, it probably didn't sound too loud to you guys when he first gave it, like, the cold start when he was taking up off the thing and he rammed it a little bit, but I put it in track mode just to open the valves up, man, and man, this bad boy, whoo-hoo, man, I am very, very pleased, very, very pleased. I don't know if y'all can hear it though, but man, it's a total big difference. A total big difference, man. Shout out to my guys at GT Auto. Man, mufflers and brakes, man. Yeah. I just wonder how it sounds if I go under the viaduct. Like, woo, it's popping and everything. Alright, man, this is your boy AB and that thing, man, and I'm out, man, with another episode, man. We'll be back.